Hey, real quick, I just want to speak on two simple things that you may be overlooking when it comes to how to make friends, alright? So, the first one is common likes, common places, alright? So, a lot of moms, stay-at-home moms, are going to make friends with other stay-at-home moms at the library, uh, during the early hours of the day, or it may be at the park, on the playground, yada yada yada. You're gonna find sports fans on the basketball court, baby. Alright? You're gonna find aspiring authors and avid readers at Barnes and Noble. It's really that simple. You already got something to link up on. Alright? You're gonna find music artists at the local music scene. You're gonna find poets at Bus Boys and Poets. Alright? And so it's very simple. And if you're an introvert and if you deal with social anxiety, we have Facebook groups, which is actually very much powerful. Sometimes I prefer to use the Facebook group feed over the actual feed. It's much less toxic. Okay? So, I find myself in a Millionaire Mindset group. I like that. Get a lot of advice there. I'm also part of a sports group too, so if I want to talk shit about sports, I can just take it there. All right. So you want to involve yourself in groups like minds. I'm in an author group, writers helping writers. Very therapeutic. You're always gonna learn something. Get the questions going. You get perspectives from all around the world, baby. So, common interest. Find that common thing. Very simple. Alright? No ulterior motives around here. Let's speak. Let's speak on the common thing. And the second thing is to just be a friend. Yeah, that's very simple. Very simple. See? And this is one thing that I understand, alright? We have a hard time trusting people. We say, oh, I do all of this and it feels like I have nothing in return. Well, if you feel that way, then it brings up the conversation of, well, how empty were you to begin with? Are you really one who can fill herself up, and then you just give it all to one? Well, then you should resolve to become an endless supply. Okay? You give without expectation, as I said in my Ghosted video. Alright? You give a gift, you plant a seed, and then you move on. And also, like I said in my Ghosted video, is that you keep an open line of communication with multiple people and be watery and fit into the scene and play your part, play your role, focus on your purpose. But yes, be a friend, give a helping hand without expecting anything in return. Alright? And life will reward you for that. Probably when you least expect it, because maybe you shouldn't expect anything. I only said that in my last video, and I think I just said it a couple minutes ago. I don't know, can't remember. But you gotta be a friend, alright? Because this world is full of people who feel lost, who feel lonely. And me putting out a video like this, people will say, wow, you're a friend. You're a friend of mine. You helped me. So, and you gotta say that in your comments, and I don't mind being a friend to you. Now, I'm no sucker. I'm no idiot. I know when people try and take advantage of me. You know when people try and take advantage of you, but you can't take that into every connection that you have. You can't take that into every engagement, every relationship, every event, and be closed off like this. Oh, I got the camera up, but, you can't be closed off like that. It sends a clear sign that you don't want to be bothered. But true bravery is having your hands open, having your arms open, exposing your chest. Even when you don't feel like it, that's bravery. Because trust me, I never really feel like it, but I also don't want to be closed off. I don't want to be closed off on opportunities. Alright? I don't want to let fear and anxiety dictate. Alright? So you start off slow and don't feel like you got to play out the whole movie in one social setting. Get to know people. There's billions of us out here. Learn a second language, learn a third language if you have to. Alright? So just be a friend and go to common places. You know, I mean, goddamn, there's friends for everybody. Have you seen that video? Look up. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. Look up the video on Vice about the incels. All right, the people who are involuntarily celibate. Like, there's a group for that. There's a group for everything. What do you like? You like to knit? You like cats? You like cat dog? You know? You like hot dogs? You like corn dogs? You like Snoop Doggy Dog? Snoopy from Peanuts. Look, it's a group for everybody, my people. Alright. No gimmicks, no catchphrase. That's my thing now.